Good morning and welcome to the house of Valentina. I am so delighted that you guys are here. I can't believe that 2019 is here. I can't believe it. This is so crazy. So welcome to my home and welcome to my office. I am getting 2019 started off with some cleanup. I worked almost nonstop over the holidays. I know that it seems like most people take off during that time, but most people are off, and therefore, since I work in real estate, that's when I'm the busiest. So I really love what I do, so it's really a pleasure, and it just means that some of the things that maybe some of you have already gotten a jump start on, like cleanup and organization, I am a little bit behind on. So during the holidays, I got a package from this amazing art company. One of the things that I really wanted to do as we've been renovating our house and getting it ready for this new year is to amp up my artwork. I have a few pieces that I love, and then a few pieces that I was kind of like, well, these are just things. So when DESENIO wrote to me, I was so excited because I've been crushing on this company for so long. They have the most amazing assortment of artwork I think of anywhere I've ever seen. They really just blow my mind. It took me forever to choose and narrow it down. I had 4 times the amount of artwork in my cart originally because I couldn't decide. There's so much good stuff in there, and I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna go back. Now that I've received my package from them, I'm definitely going back and buying the other artwork. I was so impressed. DESENIO does an incredible job delivering their artwork. The packaging itself is really pretty. It's done really well. So not only is it the most incredible selection of artwork at really affordable prices, but then it comes and it feels like the whole thing is a gift. So I am delighted beyond words. And today, as I clean up my space, I want to get some of this artwork actually up on the walls. Actually, I'm blocking one. You can see that I've already kind of dug in. I couldn't wait. I've got a couple of these already framed and a few already up on the walls around the house, and I'll be revealing all that to you as we reveal each of the rooms of our entire first floor makeover, which actually now we're upstairs doing stuff because I couldn't help it. But having a space that makes you feel excited and energized to do great things and live out your dreams, hands down, my #1 advice. That should be your New Year's resolution. If you haven't got one yet, give yourself a space that inspires you to do great things in your life. And for me, that's what my office/studio is. So, as you can see, I've got a mess. I've got a mess in here, and it's just a little bit crazy. I jumped the gun and put one of my DESENIO art pieces up on the wall, and you can't see because it's so lit. So maybe I will let you get a little bit surprised in a minute and see which one that is. But I actually need to actually dust and clean up my desk. Let me show you a couple things. I've got checks to deposit for Christmas gifts that I shopped for other family members. I've got weird random stuff sitting here. I found these beautiful boots off Net-a-Porter from Stuart Weitzman. I'm actually wearing them right now. Let me show you. I loved all that little detail on the side, and Stuart Weitzman, these are made in Spain and they're super comfortable and I love them. They're definitely keepers. So I need to get the box out of here and get this other stuff taken care of. Photographs that I need to hand out to family and then put them in the boys' bins whenever it doesn't get dispersed to family members. You can see here, we've got some of our Christmas gifts. We decided to buy each other some books, which happen to go perfectly with my artwork. And as you can see, I'm so excited. I've got my V that is ready to go into this frame. Obviously, I'm gonna have to turn it around. All right, I'm gonna get cleaning, frame this artwork, get it up on the walls, and oh, I just realized my shoes are down here. Okay, yeah, see, look, these are my new running shoes. That's what my son Parker bought me for Christmas. It's so sweet. He said I would be the coolest mom ever if I wore shoes like this, so. No, your eyes are not deceiving you. I have actually changed outfits and it's the next day. Not because I wasn't diligent in cleaning up my room, but because it was so bright in here. I finished out all my video and had a great chat with you guys, and then realized that my entire face was like screaming. It was so white and so distracting that I couldn't even listen to myself, and I have a hard time with that anyway, so it's just like, I've already tested it out, given it a test drive, and I know that this space is going to just be so amazing for me to work from for 2019. Some of the things that I think are key to every space. So number one, as you look into your spaces for 2019, particularly your office, work, study area, just depending on how old you guys are. I know that some of you are students and some of you are retirees, and we've got everybody in between. So whatever your space is that you're working from or you're creating in, you need to physically clean the space. Keep it clean. And then after that, you need to tidy. Go through all your stuff and start really thinking through, what do I actually want to be surrounded with? And I think that that's really important. After having done the floors, we had to take everything out and empty the room. And so I had a fresh start. And I just decided, yeah, I know I'm not painting the walls, but everything else is fair game. And I only want to bring back into this space the things that really, really matter to me. Think about what will be inspiring to you. That's why I got so excited about this DESENIO artwork, because I got to hand select the things that really struck a chord with me. So my artwork is, it's a little bit edgy, but then I got to pick out my V. That's what got this whole thing started. I saw the poster that they had with the V, and I was like, I gotta have that. I have to have that. So whatever your initial is, you could grab one, and all of a sudden you have a very personalized art wall. And I think that that's so cool, because they have this humongous library that you can choose from, and yet you can make something so personal. And one of the other things that I did that really personalized this space, because I really think that not only should a space be clean and tidy and organized and inspiring, it should also be personal. And that's what I did by choosing these things that really struck a chord with me. And I also added a little photo of my second son, my second child, Parker. This photo is so important to me. It inspires me so much and makes me so happy, because he dreams of us working together when he's older. So I just need that in my workspace, because every time I'm at work and I have a hard day, I just think I'm working because I want to have a business that this child can work right alongside me with, because he eats, sleeps, and breathes real estate, architecture, design. It's so much fun that even when he's only 14, he enjoys it that much, and we get to enjoy it together. So this little shot of us when we were in our favorite place, it was in New York, we were in a cafe, and Jack had taken that picture through the window. I loved it. So that's how I have personalized this space. And you have your own story. You have your own taste. So you can really personalize your wall. One more thing to remember is that color matters in your space. I like a really dark, moody office. I will probably always have an office that's dark. No, I'm not gonna say that because I changed. I changed too much. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what next year holds. But I really love having this really dark punch of color, and then just high contrast with all the artwork and accessories. It just works for me. But think through your color and how that affects you. The other things that I think that every room should have is light coming through a window, or perhaps it's an overhead light or a lamp. You should always think through your lighting. And finally, no room is complete without fragrance. So if you're not able to burn candles, whether you're a student or you're in a building where they don't allow candles, something like that. You could always have a great diffuser, something that doesn't involve any kind of fire. Maybe some of the lava rocks that are scented and they sit in a jar. There's all kinds of different ways to fragrance your area and make it personal. Oh, you guys know I'm such a diehard fan, and my husband treated me to the candle that I had talked about on one of my videos during the Christmas vlogs, and oh my God, I love it so much. It really does feel like there is a library around me. Yeah, so that's how I personalize my space. That's how I've given myself a space that I can't wait to work in, clearly, because I'm already at it. And guys, it's just, I love it. I'm really excited, and I'm really excited about what 2019 holds for us. I'm excited to work with you guys. I'm excited to create some inspiring spaces and do some awesome stuff together. Are you excited about that too? Oh my gosh, don't let me forget. DESENIO is giving you guys, and me, because I plan on using it, a discount code where you can go on their site and get a discount on the artwork. Now, it's only gonna last for 2 days, so you gotta do it quick. I'm already like, I gotta go back and order some stuff. So I'm gonna leave the link to DESENIO, their artwork, and the code down below in the show notes. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm so excited to be a part of your home and so delighted to have you a part of mine. And I can't wait to see what 2019 holds. We've got a whole house tour to show you, and I cannot wait to show you everything, and oh my gosh, all the new projects and things coming up. It's gonna be so exciting. It's gonna be awesome. I will see you guys very soon. I'm gonna definitely be uploading more than I ever have before, and I'm just trying to work through how I can get that system a little bit more user-friendly, because trying to do it all myself is way too overwhelming. I will see you guys soon. Bye.